Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. If you want to track your fitness, watch until the end of the video. Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. This is already the fifth iteration of this fitness tracker. And I recently got this from Lazada 99 sale. It cost around 1,500 pesos. And it came with some freebies, and I'm going to show you a little bit later. Okay, so just an overview of this one. The Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is a new fitness tracker of Xiaomi, and they are already selling like hotcakes. And I've been wanting to have one of these since the Mi Band 1 came out, and I haven't got an opportunity to find one or find it on sale. Okay, normally this costs around $30, but with all the sales usually can go lower. I'll put all the links down in the description if you want to find out about the Mi Band 5 and all the specifications. So when I got this from Lazada 99 sale, they had a promo and it came with some extra bands like this one. So the blue and the white, it's random actually, so it's a unfortunate thing that the color that they sent is something that I like. Okay, so you can choose around whether you want to use the white one, the blue one, or the original black one. And aside from that, they also sent a screen protector, okay, to make sure that your screen is protected. I don't know if it's a tempered glass or just a transparent sleeves, so still a good thing, so that your Xiaomi Mi Band 5 will be protected. Okay, let's dive right in and let's open up this box and see what's inside. Now, the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 is actually, as I mentioned, it's a fitness tracker that is very affordable and competitive compared to other brands. And I want to see the quality of this tracker. So it came with a USB charging cable. This one is charging. This is a USB-C. USB-A, and the other end is actually a different kind of charging. So you have to plug this in your Mi Band 5. Okay, so just look at what's inside the box. So some instruction manuals, but of course everything is in Chinese, so I won't be able to read all of this. Sorry, I think it's upside down, but it's in Chinese, so I don't think you'll be able to read this if you're not Chinese. So, but it's easy because there's a companion app. There's a companion app that you can download to change the language and understand your Mi Band. So what else is in the box? I think that's it. So let's take a look at the product itself. Very lightweight. I can feel it in my hands that this is gonna be a good product. So it came with a silicone band. Okay, silicone band. Alright. So this is the band. Okay, very nice to the touch. Okay, and of course this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Okay, so let's try to see it, turn it on, or okay. So the way to open it is just there's a tab here. Just adjust whatever size fits your wrist and just wear it. Okay, so let's try to wear it and see how it feels. So my Mi Band fits my shirt. Okay, so you can wear this Mi Band whenever you sleep because this Mi Band has a sleep tracker. You can monitor your sleeping habits and track your rapid eye movement cycles or the REM cycle whenever you sleep. So very useful if you want to know how good is your sleep that night. Okay, so this is the Mi Band, what it looks like. Okay, so So you have to download the app to be able to see the products that are available, or at least to change the language. So I will download the software, the app. I will download the app and show you how to change the language for this one. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I'm just gonna show you this band. Let's compare if it feels the same as the original one. Well, the texture is actually a little different. This is a little coarser, but it should work with your Mi Band. You can remove your Mi Band and plug it into the next one. Okay, the different straps. And to do that, there you go. So you can remove. This is the Mi Band actually. It came with. Okay, based on specifications, it has some sensors here to monitor your heart rate. It's very useful if you want to use this to track your jogging or your steps. Okay, so very helpful. Okay, so there you go. Show it to you. And you can put it into the other straps, like this one. And it's good to go. Okay, so let me wear it and show it to you. So it feels very nice to touch. Okay, so there, very nice, right? It's very nice color. And of course you have the white one, and you can change. All right, so that's it for the unboxing, simple unboxing. I'll make another video for the software and review of this Xiaomi Mi Band 5 if you're interested to know more, and I'll put all the specifications down in the descriptions. And if you want to buy it, I'll also post the links in Lazada, and you can catch this on sale. It's around 1,500 pesos, very affordable compared to the other brands like Samsung or I think it's Fitbit. Okay, that's the more expensive one. So I think this one does the job, and I think it will be a good deal of your money. Stay tuned for the next video for the more in-depth review. I will try to use this for 2 or 3 or maybe 4 weeks, a month, so that I can properly say how it works and how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video to your friends. And thank you very much for all the support for helping me reach more subscribers, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye-bye.